I know today is not a Sunday, but I was just, doing some homework, doing some back testing to basically prepare for the following week. And I haven't done a back test in a while, or I haven't really deep dived inside my charts for a little bit. But, you know, it's been good, everything's been good. This week was a moderately good week. We made some money, we lost some money, but I'm trying to understand GBP JPY for today, and here's my analysis that I have so far. So normally when I start doing breakdowns, I like to look to see what the market is doing, where are major areas of rejection, and just to have a feel of what I'm looking for the next week. Now, the market trend is clearly bullish. You see that by our trend line going all the way up. Now, we've identified a trend. The trend is bullish. So we can have a text right here to state that, my fault, trend is bullish. Just a little note to ourselves so that when we come back we know what's going on. I like to leave little notes on my charts. I don't like to erase my charts. But yeah. Moving down to the daily. I know it looks like the market's going sideways, but it's still bullish. These are just continuation patterns. Now let's move to the recent, patterns. Like, let's move to the recent patterns. Now, if you should look on the daily, let me flip this up. You see, we got an instant rejection of that, 618 area twice. So coming across on the daily, we got that 618 area. We're looking for rejections there. Now, as you guys can see, the trend is still bullish. We're looking for, this area right here, this 164 area. That's what we're looking at on the daily. Now, I'm thinking that the market is gonna hit here again and then move up to somewhere up here in the 171 area. If not, if market breaks here, we're looking to take sells. But the reason why I have looking for sell opportunities now is because the market is coming down on the 4-hour chart. Now, of course, you guys see my previous long positions hit TPs. As you guys already know, I didn't hit that far, but 138 pips. Just to basically see where I'm at. I lost this position. I remember this position. I lost this position. And the reason why I've been taking these is because you have to have a certain level of confidence. Now, I took this position here because of this area, and then I took this one here because it was a head and shoulders pattern. Took it up, got the rejection. Now, I'm looking for sells because two things. I'm looking for sales because market came down here and touched the 164 400 area once, and I'm looking for multiple rejections like right here. So that's why I have looking for sell opportunities. And if I should go down to the 15-minute, I have my major areas of support. You can see that the market basically rejected this area, 161 200 area, came back up and rejected this 165 700 area. So what I'm looking for is, but if you remember on the daily, was it the weekly? No, it was the daily. But if you remember on the daily, the area that we're currently at, this area that's been rejecting, is this 16400 area. And as you can see, the fib already told us that, hey, this is the area that we are looking at to take buys at. This is a continuation pattern of a flag. Now, if we should go back to the 15-minute, this black line, remember this black line? So this is what we're looking to take the market back up. However, what I'm looking for is a double bottom before I take it back up. Or if it doesn't give me the double bottom, I'm looking for it to come back up here to the 165,500 area, and then reject and come back down here for the 16414 area for buys to take it all the way back up. And that's how I've been, really planning my trades, how I've been really studying the market. And that's my analysis for GBP JPY. Now it can do two things, and I see it's lining up. This is the first bottom, setting up for that that W pattern. So it could come back up here and reject, but I'm predicting that it's gonna come all the way down here. And if it does come to that 161 area, I'm gonna take that buy position all the way up to I would say probably here or here. I'm not looking for any rejections from this area. So if I'm gonna have a runner, let's see, that's about 400 pips or so. And this is what I like to do. I like to, look and see what I stand to make and what will be my risk to reward. I'm not really going to take it at 0.20, of course, because that trade would be, a strong level of, confidence. So I would take it at a bigger lot size, probably like a standard lot or a 2 lot. So let's see what that would be. I would go along here, and then I would have my stop loss about here. So that's a 4.6, risk to reward that I would be looking at. So yeah, that's what I'm currently looking at. If I'm not planning to hold the trade that long, if I am not that confident, I will try to take it from here to about here. So I would be, let's see, scroll along. I'll probably go here. Sorry guys. Oh, they played me on this one. This is not it. I'll probably go here, from here to here. That's 163 pips, 136 pips, and I would probably go a standard lot on that. So I will go, I'll go a standard lot, 136. That's what I will go. And if I was looking for, hold on, let me move this up. I'll risk probably about 26 pips, 28 pips. So I would make a 5, risk to reward ratio. I'll go 27. So I would be risking 27. I'll be 198 to gain 997. And that's just my analysis for GBP again. But what I would try to do is, somebody told me an idea, which I'm open to try it. So what they have been doing is, they would go, say they're opening 2 positions. They would go 0.50. Right, there will go 0.50. They'll go 0.50, right? And then when it hits the first TP, they leave the other one to run. And I'm like, that's not a bad idea. You know, you just trail your stops, because if you do believe that this is some solid area of, you know, support, why not? So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I'll be posting this video on Sunday. Peace out.